Good morning, my lovers. I thought I'd come this way because my fields, I've got some fields that I'm just coming up to now, but they've had cows in, and I just want to check them to see if the cows are still here because of the ground. We've had the driest summer since 1976, and the farmer might have taken the cows off the fields, you know, because the grass is not growing as much. So I'm going to just come along here and have a quick look to see if the grass is green or it's brown or what. Yeah, it looks like there's some fresh poo in the fields. The cows are still in there. The ground is very dry, and it looks like the farmer's been putting down feed for them. So those fields will be well months short. I didn't see the cows, but they've got to be in there somewhere. Right, let's go detecting. Cheers! Oh, I've made it, my lovers. I'm on that field that I came on about 3 or 4 weeks ago. It had some sheep on it. The grass was really long, but now they've munched the grass down a bit, so it's still long in places, but it's not too bad. Right, I was digging this hole here, and it was a bit of rubbish, but this weird piece of slate, or at least it looks like slate, came out of it. It's got some writing on it. Just here. There you go, it's got some writing, which is a bit strange. It feels like slate. Ooh. Right, let's see what it says. It says MAW and Co. And then it's got a number 4 in the middle. And then it says Broseley. Yeah, Broseley. And I think it's definitely slate. But how did you make the carving on slate? Weird. That is a bit, can't be slate, can it? Can't be. So, what do you think that is then, my lovers? That is odd. Right proper queer, this is. Oh, look what I got in here, my lovers. Is it a pen? Is it a Parker pen? Oh, it's an old biro. Really old. Oh, definitely old. Look, it's got ink cartridge. They don't make them like that anymore. Well, at least I don't think so. Oh, funny how it looks like a pencil. I wonder if it works. No, I don't think it's going to work. Right. Oh, look what I found down here, my lovers. This was a right proper queer signal. I almost walked away from it. But methinks it's part of a watch. And what's left of one. It's not a gold watch, is it? No. Got all the little cogs inside, look. Oh, it's a bit crusty. It's all falling to bits. Oh well, a bit of a watch. Oh, looks like I found a coin. Something modern, is it? Oh, it is, sort of. It's an old 5p. I'm gonna have to do a video of how you clean up these coins, because they go like red, don't they, when they get old. You know, if you rub a bit of sweat on from your brow, and I got plenty of that today. Brings them up lovely, look. Let's try the other side. A bit of sweat from my brow. Not so good that side. But yeah. Yeah, I use a Brillo pad. You know, one of those, it's like wire wool with soap inside, like a pinky soap. These coins aren't worth anything. I would always check just to make sure, but I've checked hundreds of times, and unless they've got some fault, they're not going to be very valuable because they're all manky, look. But I will show you on another video how I clean these coins. Oh, look at the signal I got down here. £50p! Spendable. Yeah, I think that's a spendable one. Right, let's try the old sweat from the brow because this coin's in better condition. Well, it works a bit. 50p! Lovely jubbly. Oh, I got a target in here, my lovers. Where's it to? Ah! It's a debuckle. Oh, look at this hole, my lovers. I've dug down 10 inches. It's right there. I'm exhausted digging in this heat. Oh, rock hard. No, it's not going to work. Oh. 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 Right, let's see what it is. Hopefully I'm on it. Where's it to? No, I'm going to have to dig a bigger hole. Oh, I'm onto it, my lovers, and it's an artefact. That's not bad for a little 11-inch coil, is it? In these dry conditions. Look. That's a foot down, that is. A foot. Right down there, look. I picked it up sweet as a nut. And there it is. It's a whacking good big spectacle buckle. I didn't hit it, did I? I don't know. Looks like an old brake. I can't see any scratch marks on it. No, look at that one, my lovers. That's a beauty. Oh, oh dear. I'm going to have a rest. I'm cream crackered. Right, I'm going to try and clean it up a bit and I'll get back to you. Here it is, my lovers. I don't think I've ever dug up such a huge buckle. It's a monster. Not a spectacle buckle like this one. It's huge. Got a bit of decoration there on that side, but I think it's poorly made. It's just a bit not so well defined on that side, and it's completely flat on the opposite side. But yes, I don't know the age of this one. I'll have to look it up. I'll put it on the screen. The spectacle buckles have usually got quite a wide date range, anything from the 12th to the 17th century sometimes. Right, so we can get a better light on it. There it is. Lovely jubbly. Right, out with this hole here, my lovers. I had this. I've just cleaned it up. It was a bit of lead what I thought was the beginning, but now I thought it was a pot mend because it's got this groove around the outside. But I've just noticed it's got a bit of glass in there. So I think it's a piece of window glass from a medieval house. So they had, must have been quite a posh house to have leaded glass in the window. Right. On to the next. Oh, look at this, my lovers. I think I got a modern spendable. Yeah, 2004. Ugh. 2004 modern spendable 10p, I think. Yeah, spendable 10p. Well, I can't spend it in this state. I'll have to clean it with my Brillo pads. Lovely jubbly. That's 60p up today. That's it, me lovers. I'm off to the pub for some jars of ale. Woohoo! Oh. Something was biting me then. It's been a hot day. Well, hot-ish. Bit of cloud about, so it's not been too bad. So I thought I'd head off to the pub for some jars of ale and go home tonight for a barbecue. I think a nice barbecue with some venison burgers and venison sausages if we can get them. Pop into the supermarket and see what they got. And a couple of bottles of homemade wine. Homemade wine. Cheers.
Cold blows the wind on my true love, and gently drops the rain. One true love, in greenwood he lies slain. I'll do so much for my true love, as any young girl may. I'll sit and mourn all on your grave, toi.